I heard a 7.7 earthquake came the other day. Now, see, people don't understand numerology. God is the same God yesterday as he is
today.
I heard a 7.7 earthquake came the other day. Complete and confirmed.
Yes, sir.
Now, you must understand. Ask anyone who was in that if that's philosophy. Amos 4:13. That's not philosophy. That's real.
Facts. Facts.
Now, you must understand. But without Numbers 17:5, called out botany, episode 130. My elk is not of such ism. Now we're going to enter into idioms, episode 290. Buddhism. No God, eh? Psalms 14, verse 1. No God, eh?
A lot of isms.
Obviously,